Apple's greatest surprise of the year has finally been leaked. If accurate, the iPhone 15 series will reach a level never seen before on a smartphone in one critical aspect of user experience: battery life. According to this startling report from IT Home, the whole iPhone 15 series is believed to include much bigger batteries. When compared to the previous generation, this is the most significant battery boost for every individual iPhone, or collectively, if you will. If you compare the iPhone 15 Plus, 15 Pro Max, and 15 Ultra, we are approaching 5,000 mAh battery size. This increased battery size will completely transform the iPhone battery. Just as Samsung was closing the gap with the iPhone in terms of battery performance with the S23 Ultra, Apple does this. And don't forget the Apple A17 chip is going to be the first chip on a smartphone built on a 3nm architecture, which means in theory it's going to be the most efficient smartphone chip. And when combined with this big battery, we're going to see some insane performance on the iPhone 15 series. We have another surprise in store for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, especially that according to the newest speculations, Apple may actually delete the 128GB model from their range and instead offer 256GB storage as their beginning storage choice. With that said, don't get your hopes up about the pricing. It won't be priced similarly to the current 128GB price of the iPhone 14 Pro, rather, it will be priced similarly to what you would normally pay for the 128GB model, which means the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will be more expensive than last year's model while providing more storage. They're doing it to generate more money, but another reason might be the camera video improvement, notably 8K video recording, that could likely come to the iPhone 15 Pro series this year, which would need a lot more stories than before. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.